Girls, I have a question. Why it is important to choose the right body soap? For me, Skin Dough the body soap fits my need skin. Did you know that it's good for sensitive skin and also for all type of skin? It has snail mucin to promote collagen production, aids in skin healing and regeneration, and it also moisturizes your skin. Niacinamide for skin barrier enhancement, and it also minimizes your pores and brighten your skin.
Look at me now. Who will says that I will not achieve the glowing and brightening skin like this?
And that's the result of regular using of the body soap of Skin Dough.